stall these aircraft. They just kind of mush down, that's it. But very interesting design. That's Renee Robertson flying the all-white aircraft, the second one there. He built that machine. These are home-built machines as well. We'll have these aircraft on display. A little look at this from the left. Well, there's history flying by. Isn't that cool? You usually see him flying a harbor that belongs to the Canadian. Center stage. Cover your ears as the train streams past the shoreline at more than 600 miles per hour. Turn to center stage for the canopy pass from the left. Corporal Derek Giroux and Corporal Jeff Corris. California, the very first time that we're going to see our new airplane fly. The Globemaster 3, the C-17, to be known up here as CC-177. Major Jeremy Reynolds on board today. They're calling this Canada 1. And I see Ken Beach is taxiing his Interstate Cadet back to his parking area, and he taxis it the only way he does. Keep the tail up. It's a high-speed taxi, so big. Okay, the Jelly Belly aircraft heading down. We're going to see that thing again in just a little bit there, Bob. Jelly Bellies are so good. High-speed pass, folks, from the left. It's your airplane as of about 12 noon today. 174 feet long, sporting a wingspan of just over 169 feet. It stands taller than a 4-story building. Yeah, very dirty. This is a great picture, folks. What a magnificent view of this earth. With a really another look at this incredibly interesting design. The airplane's sophisticated fly-by-wire flight control system and autopilot allow the pilot to